What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, I'd like to please request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I don't want to bore everyone by going on and on and on about it, but we need numbers, views, and all that stuff. Let's get it out, people, man. So yeah, let's get into this one quick. This sneaker or trainer, whatever you want to call them, has been out for a while now. I actually haven't bought a pair. I'm not sure why I didn't buy a pair. I've always liked them ish. I've never really had an excuse to buy them. But now I thought, why not? And the excuse is I want a decent gym shoe. Oh, people are going to get onto me for that. You know, I just want a gym shoe that's not like an old gym shoe, like an old Air Max 95 or whatever. I just want like a decent new one, a decent pair, man. Let's get into it, people. So the box, white, as you can probably tell by it, it says Air 270. Also known as 270. If I move the box a bit, you can see like all the detail on it, which I really like about the box, man. See that? It's just got all the Air Max logos and all that good stuff. It does say it here as well, Air 270, Air 270. Just the boring bits. Nike. I'm happy that the box is different. Everyone knows how much I complain about box, man. And the most important bit for the colorway and this label. So that's Air Max 270, which is what they are. The colorway, which is black, aka triple black. UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45, US 11. And then the style code on these is AH 8050005, and they're made in Indonesia. If you don't know about these, I'm sorry, you've been living under a rock, mate, because these have been out for ages and they're like so plain and normal, whatever. This was from another pair. I just threw them in there for no reason. There we go. The Air Max 270. One thing I have to say straight off the bat about these, lightweight. They weigh absolutely nothing. Or they feel like they weigh absolutely nothing. But look, what I don't like is, little scuffs and all that good stuff. Not even good stuff, but yeah, don't like it. But we move, man. Nike, you've been shocking recently. So the sole is quite different to what we normally see. It's just got a Nike swoosh there. It used to say Air Max here. In a very funny font. Nike has thankfully removed that, as that was very insulting to a lot of people's religion. So I'm glad they did that, because come on, man, let's leave politics, religion and stuff out of sneakers. Let's not try to do any of that stuff. Let's just remain sneakers are sneakers, and let everyone enjoy it, man. There's already too much going on in the world before we start, before companies start doing madness. Midsole is a kind of funny one because it's like a half midsole. So that's quite, made out of like a foamy material, to be honest. Quite different. The back, that's a massive piece. So it's like, I'd say about half. Yeah, the other half is the bubble. You've got that Air Max 270 bubble, which is scratched, by the way, and that's fresh, which is annoying. On the back it says 270, and then it's got the Air, then a Nike pull tab. On the inside again, blacked out 270 Nike swoosh. That big bubble in the back, so 270, and then here as well, Air 270, full mesh upper, very lightweight. Then it's got that kind of taping around the toe box just to make a toe box and keep it light. And then a small Nike swoosh, or just mesh quickly, like basically like a slip-on, to be honest, you could say. If you take the laces out, they're a slip-on. They definitely give me like Presto vibes, so like kind of like Prestos, but you know, like Presto Air Max, but whatever. You know, it's decent. It's not padded, but it's alright, man. It would do. And then it says Air 270 and then a Nike tick. So these actually came out so long ago and I never bought them. To be honest, I didn't really like them. I'm still 50-50 on them. I'm not sure if I rate them. I'm not sure if I hate them. I'm not sure about that. But yeah, it's just a sneaker I bought for the gym. Let's see how they hold up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run in them or not. We'll just see. They're just more of a, you know, triple black, can't go wrong. They don't get dirty. Because of the mesh usually is dirty if it's a white or cream, grey, you know, them types. But this pair definitely, you know, just a clean, casual pair. Nothing to complain about, to be honest, just apart from a few QC flaws. But what can we do? That's literally been one quick review for everyone, just to quickly show you, so you can have a look at them if you wanted to. I don't even know if there's any reviews on these. There definitely has to be, man. But yeah, that's the review. The on-foot video will follow in just a few moments. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly, take care, people.